For today's video, pag-usapan naman natin bakit nga ba mabenta si Expander Cross pagdating sa 7-seater na units natin. Pero bago ang lahat, fun fact muna tayo guys. Alam nyo ba, si Expander, nakakuha siya ng 5-star rating kay ANCAP or New Car Assessment Program. Meaning, si Expander natin is safety pagdating sa collision. And isa pa, nanalo rin si Expander sa People Choice Award back 2020 and 2021 for the best MPV design. For the engine of our Expander Cross, 1.5 liter Ford DOHC 16-valve gasoline with MIVEC, and the max torque is 141 Nm by 4,000 RPM. Naka-LED na rin ang kanyang daytime running light, headlight, and fog lamps for the better visibility sa driver. Sa tires naman, we have 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels na may size na 205 by 55 R17. For the interior naman, Expander Cross, sa steering wheel, we have 3-spoke leather wrap. For the infotainment, we have 10 inches SmartLink display audio. Naka-equip na rin siya ng Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Sa aircon naman is naka-digital na and naka-dual zone climate control na rin. Sa Expander Cross, naka-electronic parking brake na rin with brake auto hold. And also, equipped na rin ng 360 multi-around monitor. For the front suspension, we have MacPherson strut with coil spring and stabilizer bar. Sa rear naman, meron tayong torsion beam. For the second row naman na napakaluwag and spacious, makita natin dito yung additional port na naka-USB and Type-C. Andito rin yung additional aircon vent para mas malamig hanggang third row. And also we have ISOFIX and teeter anchor. Sa likod naman ni Expander Cross, naka-fin type antenna na po tayo dyan with stop lamp pagdating sa rear spoiler. Then sa rear combination lamp naman, naka-LED na rin po tayo. We have also the reverse camera for the Expander Cross. Ayan. For more information, pwede mo ako kontakin sa aking contact number and sa aking social media. Once again, I'm LD Villaverde, Sales Executive dito sa Mitsubishi, Abad Santos, Manila. Muli po, maraming salamat!